Hello diecast fans, and welcome to another brand new episode of Jim's Magnificent Miniature Motor Cars. And for this episode, we'll be unboxing this beautiful Porsche 911 1964 model from Mini GT. So without any further ado, let us get on with the unboxing. So for this edition, Mini GT goes old school. Gives us a classic Porsche 911. For my money, Mini GT's old school models are always good. Rarely have I ever given them anything less than a 10 for their old school stuff. Alrighty, whoop. So that is perfectly gorgeous. Let's see if we can dig up a picture of the actual 1964 Porsche 911. Yep, and that's about it. So what do I give this baby? Like it a whole lot, yeah. The usual hallmarks of splendid detail. Mini GT. Well, I'm gonna go ahead, folks, and give this. I'm gonna go ahead, give this a 9.5 out of 10. Yes, sirree. All right. And that's it for this unboxing. Hope you folks enjoyed it. If you like what you've just seen, please consider giving me a like and a subscribe and hitting that notification bell.